My name is Nyamira, and I am from the Northern Forest School in Nyamira County. In KCPE, I scored 424 marks, and what contributed to my performance is as my teachers, they taught me well, they believed in me. I consulted them when I was not able, and I also believed in God. I prayed. This was my wish to score those marks. And for those who are out there, I want to tell you, believe in yourself, because hard work never goes unrewarded. I believed in myself, I was self-confident, and that's why I performed this way. I feel great because this was my wish. I wanted to make my school proud. I want to join Alliance Girls High School. In future, I want to become a neurosurgeon. I want to appreciate my teachers, the school director. They believed in me, they taught me well, they gave me good environment to learn, and they taught me how to be self-disciplined. That's why I passed.
Great. Thank you very much. My name is Gordon Nyamira. I'm a teacher here, a teacher. And today we received the result with a lot of enthusiasm because our learner got 424 marks. That is our first pupil, and we are grateful for this one. This one just came because of the good work the teachers have been doing to them. They are also really available, and they are also disciplined to ensure that whatever they are instructed by their teachers, they do follow. And this one has resulted to this good result we are celebrating now. I would like also to congratulate the others, because it is not only her who got that 400, but there are also some other 10 who got above 400. They did a good job, and we have a mean of 402 in Nyamira County. So we are proud of our mean. Out of 15 pupils that sat for their examinations, 11 got 400 and above marks, and the 4 got below 400 marks, but the last person got 370 marks. We had a mean score of 402.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm the director of Down Forest School. Today we have received the KCPE results, and we are very happy that we have performed very well. Our first child has gotten 424 marks, and we have a mean score of 402. Of the class of 15, we have had 11 pupils scoring above 400, and this is a very good mark we have scored this year, and we dedicate this to our able teachers who have done a very good job to attain this performance. Along with that, where our parents were very cooperative, and they really cooperated and assisted us in whatever we wanted them to give the pupils, and this has contributed to this very good performance. Going forward, we are going to do much better because our teachers are capable, ready, and they have been motivated by this result.
Thank you.
So come 2024, we are able to do much better than what we have scored this year.
All right.
Ito no mwako manene. Twawate matarajio nganachi konyora max yayu. Na ndi nyasaye wanchire oyanyorire. Twawokire mono sana, twakire mbya mona eskuru ya senche support ya moira mona abandi abo bonse banyara konyora max yayu. Ndeno mwako manene. Asenge ncho mwana onere mutangani la Nyamira county ya Sebono iga nero mutangani konyora max yayu. Tore no mwako manene. Nane tokwere nyasaye mbya mono because nero gerire twanyere go ikaiga.